Hi guys, so today I am going to be unboxing NCT 127-127's regular-irregular albums. I have 4 copies, 2 of the regular version and 2 of the irregular version. And let's get started on the regular one, which I believe is this one. So as you can see, it is kind of unique packaging. It reminds me of Monster X's Shine Forever and also their Limitless one. And I don't know how I feel about it because with these albums I always worry I'm going to damage them. But yeah, let's just take it out of the plastic sleeve first, if it lets me. It's stuck tight, very tight. Sealed in there. Oh, I hate when it rips. I think we got it. I was hoping I'd be able to just like seal it back in, but I don't think I'll be able to now. But here we have it, NCT 127. I don't think there is a track listing on the back here, so we'll just open it. I am not looking forward to opening this. I just don't, oh no, oh no. I'm sorry album. Well, we tried. Okay, let's get it out of there. The pocket would be cute if it wasn't a sticker, I think. Yeah, because that happens. But yeah, I'm just going to move that out of the way and take out the photo cards and stuff that are inside here. And the CD, I believe. And I think that is everything. But yes, as you can see, it is a very interestingly designed album. Let's take this out too. Okay, so this is the cover, which is like a picture of like a city. So yeah, just gonna put this away now. And what else do we have here? Let's go through the CD first. I don't even know what to go through first. But here we have the CD. Which comes in this pouch. So first up, let's go through the lyrics booklet right here and the track list. There are 11 tracks on here, and they are 지금 우리 or City 127, regular Korean version, replay 1:27 p.m, knock on, 나의 모든 순간 or no longer, interlude, regular to irregular, 내 van, my van, 악몽, come back, 신기루, fly away with me, regular, the English version, and bonus track, run back to you. So I think this album is fantastic. Limitless is my favorite 127 album, but this one really gives it a run for its money. It's just like chock full of like all these slow jams. Like this is like the ultimate slow jam album, K-pop album for me. I really love it a lot. I think it's really well crafted. I think all the songs fit the theme that they're going for in this one. And one thing I really love about just NCT in general is that they have such interesting concepts, because I never know what they're gonna do next, and it's so fun and experimental. And also just like the idea of all the different subunits within NCT doing things, I just find that so fascinating. But yeah, also Jungwoo got added to the lineup for 127 now in this album, so that's really great. 10 members now. But yeah, here are the lyrics. Let's just go through all of that now. This kind of just reminds me of like an instruction manual. So yeah, that was the lyrics booklet. We'll go through all the cards later. We'll just do the photo book first, of course. And what would an SM photo book be without blurry pictures? Really, though. Haechan. One thing I will say is that this album has really made me appreciate Haechan's voice so much. Donghyuk has such a beautiful voice, and I think it's improved significantly. Oh, I didn't go through my favorite tracks, but my favorite tracks on here are Regular, which is funny because I didn't really like Regular the first time I heard it, but then by the 10th time I was like, I love this song, why did I not like it? But yeah, Regular, Replay, 1:27 p.m, Come Back, which I know is a Japanese song, like originally a Japanese song. I also love the Korean version of it. And I think Run Back to You, which was like, you know, the bass spot SM Rookie song. So good to hear like a full version of it. I don't know how to feel about this photo book. Like, why take a picture of a car? Jaehyun looking handsome as always. A hazy picture of Yuta. Okay. I thought that was like, I thought it was a picture of toilet paper for a second. Johnny, look at Johnny's earring though. And that is it for the photo book. I kind of wish there was more pictures of the boys themselves and like not like random objects and scenery. But it is an SM album. I kind of expect that sometimes. Okay, let's go through everything else. Okay, first up we have this fan card. So there's that. And the postcard. So postcard, I got Win Winnie. my bias. So yeah, I'm so happy to have pulled win-win. And for the photo card, I got Win-Winnie as well. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. Like, I hardly ever pull Win-Win. I don't know if I must have pulled him at some point, right? But yeah, I hardly ever pull Win-Win, and oh my god, he's so cute. I'm so excited for Wavy too, by the way. I'm gonna move this out of the way and go into the unboxing for the irregular version while I struggle with the plastic yet again. Oh gosh. It honestly makes me so sad to be ripping this out, but I can't open it any other way. So yes, here we have the irregular version. And another sticker that I'm gonna, oh gosh. Oh no, I already see it. Has, yeah. Oh well. I do really like the pockets for this though. They're really cute. If only they had like a button kind of enclosed, like clasp, sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna take this out. Oh no, hang on. Take out everything in it first. And now take this city picture out. So here we have it. Yet again, I'm not very good at showing these on camera because I don't have enough space, but yeah. And then a lyrics booklet, which I would expect would be the same, so we'll just like flip through it. Of course, all the songs are the same on both albums. And yeah, that's it for this one. Oh, there is a fan card again. And the CD. Let's go through the CD. Wrong way, but CD, here we go. This one is white. And the cover for it. Okay, and let's go through the photo book. And straight up attacked with JN's face. And Win-Win. Utah. Doyoungi. Hey. I think I already like this photo book more. And Chongwoo looks so cute. Jongwoo always looks cute though. More tail. And Jongwoo. Look at this picture. Johnny. I like this shot. It's like just this kind of candid picture on 태영이. Some blurry shots. Oh my gosh. Look at Win-Win. Oh wait, it's Mark. I'm sorry, that's Mark. He looks so handsome in that picture. Anyway. This is Win-Win. I don't know who this is. But yeah, I do prefer this photo book, if only because I get more shots of all the boys in it. And yeah, that is it for the irregular version. Let's go through the cards. So first up, for the postcard, I got Tail. Yeah, Tail's postcard. And for the photo card, I got Mark. Big surprise. I like always get Mark. But yeah, I'm gonna put these two up for trade or sale for Taeyong. I don't know if there are any other. Oh, there probably are. I need Win-Win's irregular version, I guess. But yeah, I'm putting these both up for trade for either Taeyong or Win-Win's cards, because or at least the ones that I don't already have. But I should probably go into these ones. Just unbox, not unbox, but open these ones too. Ugh, it's sealed so tight. Oh my gosh, okay. That one was like somewhat more successful than the previous ones. And my least favorite part, the sticker. Maybe if I do it more slowly, I can save it. Oh, that wasn't too bad this time, at least. Let me grab this out. And get everything out and go through what I got. Okay, so I already see my postcard. For the postcard, I got Yuta. Sorry, I got interrupted. So I got Yuta's postcard. And for the photo card, I got Jaehyun. Jaehyun is one of those members that I want to collect, but I'm like, I shouldn't. I really shouldn't, because I collect too many other members already. Like, I was gonna collect Jungwoo as well, but like I had to like stop and not do that. But yeah, let's go into this one, my last one. Okay, sticker. Let's do this. Come on. No. It actually, okay, not too bad. I'm pretty happy with that. Let's grab this out and let's see who I got. Okay, so postcard. let's go. For the postcard, I got Hechan's card. Cute. And then for the photo card, I got Jongwoo. What did I just say? I remember I wanted to collect Jongwoo, but it's just so hard. It's so hard collecting NCT because they have so many members. But yeah, I'm gonna put all of these up for trade or sale. Oh, but there's a bit of a dent on the Jongwoo card here, like as you can see, which is exactly how I pulled it out of the album. But yeah, so the ones that I'm putting up for trade or sale are, oh gosh, okay. The postcards. So, Tail, Yuta, and Hechan. And then photo cards. Jaehyun, I think this is the regular version. And Mark's irregular. And Jongwoo's irregular also. Yeah, those are everything that I'm putting up for trade or sale. For basically any Win-Win or Taeyong card that I don't have, I have these two already. I don't know if the postcards come with like different postcards, but I'm pretty sure there are different photo cards. Well, I know there are different photo cards because the backs are different. So yeah. Anyway, I still have their repackage to unbox, so I'm gonna try and do some other unboxings before that so I can space out my NCT unboxings a bit more. But 2018 was like such a great year for NCT. Like they did so many things, and I'm so excited for 2019 for them as well. Especially WayV are gonna debut soon, and I'm very excited for that. I'm like so excited for it. I'm a bit worried because I know that there's like a lot of political tension between China and Korea, and part of me is worried that like if WayV start doing really well in China, it might mean they might not be able to come back to Korea, and especially in Win-Win's case, because Win-Win is a permanent member of 127. So I'm just hoping it'll be fine, and everything will end up going well. But I am really excited for their debut. The teasers look incredible, and like the visuals are out of this world. I'm so excited. Anyway, yeah, thank you so much for watching.